What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the tournament brackets like this, and surprisingly you can create this bracket prototype into this Microsoft Word. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to prepare about your page here, and you can go to this insert and go to this smart art, and this will be a lot of graphic that you can use over here. And since we would like to create the brackets, and here we will go to this hierarchy and choose this horizontal hierarchy and click OK. And if you see the example here, it will usually end up to the right from this, let's say the semifinals, finals, and also this is the final or the winner. So you can start to change the alignment by clicking this right to the left, and it will show like this, guys. And for example, we will start to create the quarterfinals and also semifinals teams, and this will be the groups that will have a final competition, and this will be the winner. So you can start to, let's say, add the opponent for this section. So you can give it a, or select this section and give it a right click and add shape, and after that you can choose this one, which one you prefer, shape after or shape before. And for example, I will choose this shape after, and it will show below or after this section or this bracket, guys. So this gonna be the team that will participate into the semifinal. And for example, we can if we would like to create the quarterfinal or the bracket for the quarterfinals, so you can select this section first and give it a right click like this and add shape, and choose this add shape below, and it will be added down here. And let's say if we would like to create the opponent of this team, so give it the right click again and choose this add shape before or after. It will be added here or here. So this will be the opponent, and you can continue to create the team that will have the chance to get into this semifinal. Click add shape, and after that go to this shape below, keep this section being selected, and after that I will choose this add shape after this one, continue again to create into this section, add shape, and after that go to add shape below, keep selected, and I will choose this add shape after. And the last one, for example, I will choose this add shape below and add the opponent, add shape after. So this will be the bracket we have. And if you would like to put the text here, select this section and give it the right click and click edit text. For example, Chelsea, and also Liverpool. This will be the first alternative if you would like to add the text by clicking text, or you can simply click this section and directly type the text. For example, Munich, and I will choose again, let's say the Boca Junior, and after that PSG, MU, Arsenal, and also, for example, Real Madrid. And good. And after that, for example, you can choose it Liverpool, And for this one gonna be Boca Junior. And for example, this will be MU. And this one gonna be Arsenal, for example. And here that will have the chance to participate in final. So for example, gonna be Boca Junior. And for this one, for example, Arsenal. And the winner is, for example, Boca Junior. So this will be the tournament bracket we have. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.